Hey, what's up, good people? Welcome to Stock Up with Larry Jones. Hey, listen, today we're going to talk about crypto. And I just want to address some things in crypto. But first, follow that prompter and hit the like, subscribe, and notification bell. And because I'm talking about crypto, there will be a lot of spam. We spend hours trying to take it down. Make sure that you don't fall for spam. Never send money or crypto to anyone. I don't have a WhatsApp, none of that. I don't DM on Instagram, none of that, okay? So anything I say is not a suggestion for you to buy, hold, or sell. Let's talk about what I want to talk about today. And that is a lot of people are second guessing themselves since we have this bounce in the market, right? Are we in a bull market? Have I missed the bottom? And I just want to share a little information with you about the bottom. This is the S&P, good people. And we all know that crypto as a whole follows Bitcoin, right? Just go with me step by step. Crypto follows Bitcoin. And Bitcoin is like the Dow and the NASDAQ and the S&P all wrapped in one. If Bitcoin tanks, all crypto tanks, right? So let's look at that and let's start from that inflection point. So if we look here, you could see the S&P 500. See, Bitcoin is a yellow. The S&P 500, which is in the stock market, for those of you that are just in the crypto, the S&P tracks the overall market, okay? So at least 500 of the top 500 companies, should I say that? All right, so as you can see, whatever the S&P does, crypto does it more, exaggerated. So if the S&P goes down, crypto goes down more. If the S&P runs up, crypto runs up more. So it's just exaggerated. And so this is the last month. Let's go to the last 6 months. As you can see that when the S&P started going down, the yellow is Bitcoin, or should I say crypto. Crypto really tanked. Now, I've been saying for months that it really is connected to the NASDAQ, all right? So the NASDAQ is where you have a lot of the stock that was popular, right, by influencers, guys like me on YouTube, chase these type of stock. They were in the NASDAQ. So if you look at the NASDAQ here, you could see it is directly correlated with Bitcoin. Look at how close that correlation is. So now let me get rid of the S&P. And I can't the way I set it up. So as you can see here, look at the correlation between the, let's say, light blue and dark blue at the bottom here. You see how that correlates? Let's look over the last 6 months. Look at that. That is crazy how it just tanked, right? And if you truly want to know crypto, if you know all there is about blockchain, crypto, use cases, layer ones, and all of that stuff, then further educate yourself using the stock market, because you will literally become better, all right? So let's look at how long does a crypto winter usually takes. Let's read. Bitcoin is a benchmark. We know that for the entire industry, right? And so let's get right to it. Bitcoin previously lost 53% of its value from April to July 2021, last year, right? It lost 51% of its value from 2014 to 2015, okay? All right, so we're going back to crypto winters, okay? After the collapse of MTGOX, if you were in crypto at this point, when this happened, leave us a comment, all right? I was not in crypto when this collapse happened. Let us know what that is. I didn't study that. I want you guys to leave in a comment, those of you that's been in crypto for a long time, all right? The biggest drawdown was 83.4% from 2017 to 2018, which was another crypto winter, right? But check this out. It took 716 days to recover from the 2008 crash and just 335 days to recover from the 2015 crash. Don't worry about it. You haven't missed the bottom. The best thing to do is the DCA, is to accumulate during crypto winter. I don't care how bullish the market appears to be right now. There's generally in the stock market three major legs down after we are in a recession, okay? And we know that we're in a soft recession right now. There's three major legs down. But here's what everyone, regardless if you know blockchain, if you understand crypto to the fullest, and even for those of you that are crypto experts, here's one of the things that most can agree on, and that is accumulation. And this is what I've been saying. Now, they use a couple of, Ethereum, Bitcoin, Avalanche, Polygon, which I have all of these. I'm just starting to add more. I'm just starting to really get into Avalanche. I had a small portion of it, but I'm going to start getting more Avalanche. Of course, Ethereum, Bitcoin, I have a ton of it, ton of Polygon. And the best thing to do right now is to accumulate during crypto winter, right? So let's go back to this one. No, let's go back to this chart. Sorry, good people. Where it says that here, 716 days, 335 days, it went down by 83%, all right? Right here. The biggest drawdown was 83%. Let's go to Bitcoin and let's see over the last year, all right? From the highs of Bitcoin down to where we are now, we're only down 64%, right? Now, yes, I hear you. Somebody saying, hey, that could be the bottom. It could only come down that much this time. And you're right, because everything is not going to be exact, okay? But I can also tell you there's some things that is going on this time that is a little different. When you got companies like Blackrock that partner with companies like Coinbase, and BlackRock is a way bigger company. You're talking about a company that manages trillions of dollars, trillions, not billions, trillions of dollars in assets. Okay. The largest institution in the stock market. That's BlackRock. And we know, let's not get caught up in the politics of what they do underhandedly, but they want to make it so that institutions can buy into crypto. Stable coin will be regulated. I'm going to continue to say that. Once it gets regulated, this is what I believe. Once it gets regulated, and then the bigger institutions can buy in, and that's what BlackRock is trying to do with the deal. So there's a lot of FUD to help push it down. The best thing that is happening right now is that it's happening in crypto winter. So if you are older, even if you don't understand crypto, I don't want to over push it. So if you're older, just take a little money. Now, here's some ways that you can invest in crypto without opening up a crypto portfolio. Myself, I'm doing all of my new trading in FTX. And I choose FTX because they're one of the bigger and better ones, safer ones, FTX and Binance. I used to do all my trading in Coinbase. I still have some in Coinbase, but I'm just diversifying and just keeping my money as safe as I can. All right. And you do your research and you choose the platform that's best for you. But if you don't want to, then you could use the grayscale. All right. So you can buy Bitcoin and Ethereum through grayscale on the regular stock market and have your foot into crypto. Right. Also, you can buy companies like Riot and Mara, which in 2020 we made a killing on. Truth be told, that's how I took $2,400 and turned it into $53,000. A lot of that was done with crypto mining companies like Mara and Riot, for those of you that's been rolling with me for a while. And then we went into crypto and then we doubled that. And so that's what I want to say to you guys about the overall crypto market. There is ways to get in that is safe now, but the best thing that I believe that you can do is accumulate and dollar cost average in through the entire crypto winter, and don't chase the bottom, right? Don't gamble. And I would not throw all of my money in. And so that's what I would leave with you guys. Now, for those of you that have the Weibo link, I want to show you this, right? So if you got Weibo, number one, if you don't have Weibo, click my link below and you get up to 12 free stock, right? Worth up to $30,600. So, but what you could do, this is one of the things that I'm doing. So I'm not suggesting that you do it. What I do is I accumulate crypto now in FTX, and I'm just accumulating. I got it set on automatic, so it's automatically dripping, right? Automatic buying, should I say. But what I have in my Weibo is I'm actually drip buying crypto with Weibo. Yes, you can buy crypto with Weibo, and I have it set on automatic. That's where I do my swing trade. Larry, why do you do them both? Because when I get my gains, which I've gotten a lot of gains, especially off of Matic in my Weibo, I cash out. I keep swinging my crypto there. I cash out, and then it helps to further fund my crypto that I'm holding in FTX. Follow? And that way, if the market really tanks and I just keep making 25% profits, 30% profits, I'm actually just adding to my dollar cost average. Now, my dollar cost average in my crypto, wallets like FTX, that I'm dollar cost averaging, and I'm not swinging it. I'm not selling it, and I'm just keeping it and accumulating through the entire crypto winter. So if you don't have Weibo, make sure you click my link below, deposit $1 right now and get those free stock. And then also with, as far as a hedge against the soon and upcoming worst of the recession, I want you guys to download a Moo. And there again, deposit $100 and get up to $2,500 worth of free stock. So make sure you get both of those, and we're going to use them for two totally different reasons. All right, good people. Hopefully this has helped you. Leave me a comment and tell me what you think. Are you accumulating through crypto winter? Do you say, hey, Larry, we missed the crypto bottom, which I will strongly disagree with you? Or you say, hey, you know what? You're right. You showed me. Let me do some research, but I'm going to roll with you and just accumulate. And if you're older, don't do a lot of money. Just treat it like a penny bank, okay? So you don't have anything to lose. Crypto is very volatile, as I just shared with you. We don't worry about the volatility. We worry about accumulating now for the next bull run. All right? We'll see you on the next one.